Hey guys, thank you again for watching my Fallout themed PC build series. It was really fun. I posted a link in the video description if you missed it. Check it out. It was a blast to create that wasteland patina look from the game on this PC case. What are some other games that would be fun to create a PC mod with? Have you checked out the new Stalker game trailer? Looking pretty badass. Let me know if you would also like me to share my sleeper build that I'm working on with this Inwin Q500 tower from 2001, the same year I started Mnpctech. Again, I've posted a link to the Fallout series in this video description. Hope you're all having a good year so far, and thank you for engaging with my videos and supporting my store at mnpctech.com. I really love doing these builds. They're so fun, and sharing them with you on my YouTube channel.